Welcome back to my YouTube channel Lock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 7 chapter 6 ratio and proportion exercise 6a question 12. This one is the length of 3 ribbons is in the ratio 4:3:5. If the length of the shortest ribbon is 12 centimeters, find the length of the longest ribbon, right? So a ribbon is there and basically the ratio of the length of 3 ribbons, right? 3 ribbons are there and their length, their ratio is, you can see, 4:3:5. okay, so it says if length of the shortest ribbon is 12 centimeters, what is the length of the longest ribbon? Okay, now you can see here that the total is not given to us. If we have to find the length of the longest ribbon, which is the longest ribbon in this? You can see 5 is the longest ribbon because in the ratio it has the highest value. So of course it will be the greatest or basically the longest ribbon. Okay, so you write it first over here that ratio is equal to 4:3:5, right? So this is 4:3:5. Now next you see that we know that the shortest ribbon is 12 meters. So shortest ribbon here, ribbon is in this ratio. Which one is the shortest ribbon? You can see 3 is the shortest ribbon, right? So 3 here, and the length of 3 is equal to what? 12 centimeters, right? So now in this case we can find x. See how? First of all, finding the length of any piece in the ratio is the length upon total number of terms into the total, right? So you write here one more point, that is total terms. I'll just write total terms, not number of terms. So 4 plus 3 plus 5, and this one will be 4, 4, 3, 7, 5, 12 as well. So here we also get 12. Now we can find it. How? See, this will be equal to, shortest ribbon was 3. So in the numerator we'll have 3 upon total number of terms. Total number of terms is 12. Okay, so 12 into the total. Now total is what we don't know, so assume it as x. Now this becomes into x is equal to, the length is given here 12 centimeters, right? So 12 centimeters here. Now we can solve it. So we'll have basically 3x upon 12 is equal to 12. Okay, this 12 will take here, so we will be left with how much? 3x is equal to 12 into 12, right? So 3x is equal to how much? 12 into 12 is 144, right? Now x is equal to 144 upon 3. Cut this one. This goes how many times? Let's see. 12 goes how many times? 4 times, and 24 goes 8 times, right? 8 times, so 48. So you write here x is equal to 48, right? This is the value of x, 48. Now we have to find the value of our longest piece here, length of the longest ribbon. Okay, so you can write it here that the longest ribbon in the above ratio is what? 5. 5 is the longest because 5 has the greatest value, so it will be the longest as well. Okay, so now we will find the length, right? So you write here that length is equal to, same thing, 5, that is the length in the ratio upon total number of terms into the total. Okay, so we'll have 5 upon total number of terms is how much? 12. So 5 upon 12 into the total. Total is x. This we have found out. So x is 48, right? So into 48. So 12, you cut this and cut this. 48 goes how many times? 4 times, right? So length is equal to how much? 5 into 4, 20 centimeters. Alright, and this becomes our final answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye-bye.